Hey guys, welcome back to OurTechies, and in this video I'm going to show you how can you unlock the iCloud lock for iPhones. So this is the iPhone X in my hand, and the problem is that it's stuck on the iCloud logo screen and it's asking for the Apple ID and the password to unlock that device. So today I'm going to show you the best and the easiest way to unlock this kind or bypass this kind of iCloud activation lock screen for your iOS devices. So this is the custom firmware and modded iTunes method. For that, basically you require to download these two files from the given link below the description. Simply download and install the modded iTunes in your PC or computer or laptop, uh, and make sure that your antivirus of your laptop or PC must be disabled or turned off. So after that, just simply install that modded iTunes, and after that you can start your process. And you also require a high quality or original cable which comes with the phone. So first of all, let's simply turn off your device. So make sure to turn it off. Okay, it's turned off. Okay, now you require to connect your phone to the PC. Okay, let's connect it simply with holding the power and the volume up key. Okay, your phone will be jump on that screen or iTunes screen. So this is in the recovery screen. So before proceeding, you have to rename your file, iTunes file. You have to rename it in that file. It depends on the model which you have. So currently I am using iPhone X GSM version, so for that I have to rename it accordingly. So it depends on which version you are using. For like iPhone 7 it's different, iPhone 8 it's different, so you have to rename it just simply, and you can check all the details in the description, so you will get there. So now after that, simply okay. Now when you open your iPhone, you will get this two option, restore and update. Simply with pressing the shift button, it's like the restore. Okay, with pressing the shift button, restore, select the file and restore process. So it's extracting the software now. So basically the restoration process has been started. So now from that point of time, it will takes around 10 to 15 minutes maximum to complete the whole process. And on the meantime, don't unplug your device, otherwise it will disconnected and you may get it will not fix. You have to do it again, or sometime it will completely your phone will be gone. So after that you will not able to use your phone. So it depends. So let's see how much time does it takes. Sometime it will completely break your software system of your device. So after that you even not able to restore your iPhone as well. And if while doing that, if you face any iTunes error, you can check it out. Other videos I have uploaded it for iTunes error to how to fix that kind of issues, also uploaded there. You can check it out there as well. So let's see from now how much time does it takes. So the extracting process has been started already. since it's the custom firmware, so it will take a little bit more time than as usual the regular firmware. So so no need to worry about that, it will takes a little bit more time. So so the registration process is started, and on the meantime your phone maybe restart couple of times, so make sure not to disconnect your phone. It's waiting for iPhone to connect. Okay, so the registration process has been started already. Verifying iPhone with iPhone register with Apple. Okay, so here it is. It's saying welcome to your new iPhone. So let's disconnect it and let's see, is it unlocked or not successfully. So let's see. So here you already can see that it's okay. Let's click connect. Okay. Okay, here you can see it's directly jump to the data privacy screen, and so it's directly jump on the data and privacy screen, and there is no nothing it's asking for any iCloud ID. So that's it. So you can see how we can unlock the iCloud lock for iPhones or any other iOS device in very simple way with modded iTunes and custom firmware. So this is the best way from which you can easily unlock your iPhones. So let me quick setup, and here it is, welcome to iPhone. So here it is, it's completely done. So if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this.